The Reino X2, powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon XR2 platform, are the pioneering augmented reality glasses that can operate independently. These glasses feature a 16-megapixel camera, SLAM system, and gesture recognition for capturing and interacting with the surroundings. Notable functionalities include smart notifications, real-time translation, GPS navigation, photo and video recording, and more. Additionally, a wide array of augmented reality apps and games are accessible through the built-in library, enhancing the user experience. Boasting a sleek design and lightweight build, the Reino X2 serve as the ultimate sunglasses. Equipped with 6 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage, a charging cable, and a case, these glasses can be controlled via voice commands or touch gestures, and support Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. Secure your Reino X2 on Indiegogo for $699 while stocks last. UGOT Robotic Kit. The UGOT Robotic Kit offers a unique opportunity to create 7 distinct robots using just one kit. This innovative combination of technology and creativity allows for easy building and customization with its clever knob lock and modular architecture. Additionally, you have the option to personalize your robots by using open-source hardware and parts from third parties. Beyond being a simple toy, the UGOT Robotic Kit serves as a valuable tool for learning. It features a powerful computer with integrated central processing units, graphics processing unit, and neural processing unit chips. This primary control grants access to a range of AI features, including bionic mobility, speech recognition, gesture detection, and more. Both Python and the graphical user interface enable you to develop your own models and algorithms. Currently, Kickstarter is accepting pre-orders for the UGOT Robotic Kit at a price of $2.56. Voixache. Introducing Voixache, a cutting-edge smartwatch that seamlessly combines the functionalities of a smartphone and a smartwatch into one sophisticated device. With Voixache, you can make calls, send texts, navigate with GPS, and surf the internet, all without the need for your phone. Stay connected wherever you are, thanks to Voixache's cellular SIM card slot. But that's not all. The Voixache bezel can be detached and transformed into a Bluetooth headset. Simply twist and lift the watch bezel, place it in your ear, and enjoy hands-free calling. The wing-shaped bezel fits snugly in your ear and delivers impressive sound quality. When you're done, effortlessly snap the bezel back on and charge the watch. Voixache is not only functional, but also stylish. Customize your watch with 4 different bezel colors to match your outfit or mood. The 1.3-inch AMOLED display of Voixache ensures clear graphics and visuals. Plus, it is waterproof, so you don't have to worry about getting it wet. Pre-order Voixache now for $199 on Kickstarter. Airspeeder Crude. The Airspeeder for Malawian Kwachas can accelerate from a standstill to 225 miles per hour in just 30 seconds, making it the fastest hydrogen-electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft globally. With an expected range of 300 kilometers on a single charge, it handles like a Formula One race car. Despite its lightweight of only 950 kilograms, it boasts a power output of up to 1340 horsepower. The 4th-generation Airspeeder is not just a vehicle, it's a game-changer. This marks the beginning of an exciting new era in motorsport, where the possibilities are endless. This competition is the ultimate challenge for the most innovative and ambitious automakers, OEMs, and racing teams worldwide. Don't miss the chance to be part of history in 2024, when the first crude races are scheduled to take place. Depending on the chosen features and customizations, this incredible flying machine could cost anywhere from $1.5 million to $1.7 million. Aelus Robotics. Aelus Robotics is a company that specializes in creating and selling robots for various business and personal tasks. Their flagship product, EO, is a versatile humanoid robot capable of performing a wide range of functions such as opening doors, controlling elevators, and delivering medications. AEO's primary goal is to enhance the quality of life for individuals worldwide, particularly the elderly and those with health issues. Additionally, AEO is equipped with a user-friendly mobile app for remote control and access. Aelus Robotics offers flexible payment options, 24/7 customer support, and regular software updates to their customers. AEO is not just a robot, it's a reliable and efficient companion. While the exact pricing has not been officially confirmed, speculations suggest that each unit of AEO may cost between $50,000 to $70,000. Pesa H2 Loco. The Pesa H2 Loco is a cutting-edge shunting locomotive powered by hydrogen fuel cells. It represents Pesa's commitment to incorporating eco-friendly technology into railway vehicles and stands as the world's first of its kind. Capable of reaching speeds of up to 90 km per hour, the Pesa H2 Loco can haul trains weighing up to 3,200 tons. Operating on 650 kilowatts of power for 15 hours before requiring refueling, this locomotive features a modern design with the driver position at the center. Equipped with autonomous driving and anti-collision systems as standard, the Pesa H2 Loco is ideal for emission-free shunting operations in green ports and intermodal terminals. Expected to be available for purchase in 2024, the Pesa H2 Loco will be priced at around $5 million. For a reliable, environmentally friendly, and robust shunting locomotive, look no further than the Pesa H2 Loco. Totem Planter. Introducing the Totem Planter, a cutting-edge vertical gardening system that enables you to construct your own plant tower using a range of interchangeable modules. Various modules are at your disposal, such as vertical, horizontal, microgreen, and more. By harnessing hydroponic and aeroponic technology, the Totem Planter does away with the need for soil, directly hydrating plants. This means less work for you, less waste, and less mess. The intelligent grow bar that comes with the Totem Planter features horticultural LEDs from Samsung, providing plants with the light they require to thrive. With the Totem app, you can manage your plants' lighting and watering schedules, as well as receive useful tips for enhancing plant growth. Additionally, you can switch to ambient mode at night to showcase your plants with a soft, pleasant light. Ecoflow Blade Robotic. The Ecoflow Blade Robotic is a revolutionary lawnmower that outshines traditional models. This cutting-edge technology utilizes optical sensors, LiDAR, and GPS to scan your lawn, detect obstacles, and map out the most efficient mowing route. With the optional yard sweeper kit, it can also tidy up your yard by clearing away leaves, branches, and other debris. What sets the Ecoflow Blade Robotic apart is its lack of need for boundary or cable installation. Through the Ecoflow app, you can easily set and adjust mowing boundaries right from your smartphone. You can also control the cutting height, monitor battery life, and track its location. This robotic mower can handle slopes up to 27 degrees, boasts a wide cutting width, and features front wheels that can maneuver in any direction. For a limited time, you can purchase it for $2,649, or opt for the Lawn Sweeper Kit bundle for $3,199.